If you have action camera, in a way it is a necessity to have a gimbal. You will say, but why I need a gimbal? I have inbuilt gyro stabilization. Well, as you see in footage, looks really smooth, and many action cameras have various limitations. You can't use gyro stabilization in every resolution or mode, which leads for need of some kind of gimbal. This is how I stumbled upon ultra-affordable Hohem iSteady Pro action camera 3-axis gimbal. Let's see if it is worth the money. Links where you can find price and more info about gimbal are in the description box. This particular gimbal can be used with majority of action camera brands, starting with GoPro, Xiaomi, SG-Cam and others. In package you will find neat protective case, and inside of it there is a gimbal itself, USB cable, ultra mini tripod stand and user manual. iSteady Pro is completely made of plastic. Front part of the handle has textured plastic which improves grip a bit. On the bottom you will find standard tripod thread, also there is one on the left side. Under it we can see rubber seal which hides micro USB port for charging a gimbal and USB port which can be used for charging various devices. In simple man words, you can use gimbal battery to charge any kind of other devices. There is also a neat feature on action camera mount. There is USB Type-B port which can be used to charge action camera itself. This means that you can record footage and charge action camera at the same time. My only complaint is that USB Type-B port is used and cable isn't provided in the case, which means that you need to buy cable separately. On the right side there are 4 LEDs which indicate battery charge state. And finally, on the handle front side there is up, down, left and right joystick, hotkey switch, mode button, power on-off button and 2 LEDs for Bluetooth and mode operations. Okay, enough of this and let's mount up my SJ-Cam SJ8 Plus. Mounting procedure is simple and you can mount probably any brand of action cameras. In my case, power button was blocked when action camera is on gimbal, which leads that every time you want to turn off or on the camera you need to unscrew screws a bit so you can press the button. Not a big deal, as this highly depends on action camera brand you use, so it is not really a downside, just this is situation in my case. iSteady Pro works pretty good. It has few quirks, but overall I like it. Shuffling through modes is breeze. And this is how mode button works. Single press will lock up and down movement, left and right will move smoothly. Double press will follow left, right and up and down movement. 3 presses will lock at current position. This is cool feature for super steady shots. And 4 clicks is basically same as double press with addition of roll axis are also unlocked. For calibration you can use an app or keep mode button pressed for 6 seconds, but I will recommend an app. Speaking about app, it is decent, but it is missing few features found on other gimbals. But hey, overall there is everything you need which you may find useful. Only major thing which I miss is object tracking of any kind. I used SJ-Cam SJ8 Plus for test footage and overall result is okay. Gimbal is working as intended, managing to stabilize footage to desired level. Neat feature is quick lock button which offers function to instantly lock gimbal to present location, and in that way you can get amazing super steady footage. But there are some quirks. I'm not sure is this just on my unit, but up and down motor movement isn't 100% smooth when really slow movement is happening, and this can be visible on footage with this gimbal. Battery life is not concerned at all. 4000 mAh inbuilt battery will last you long enough that easily can happen for you to forget to charge gimbal completely. But if you use gimbal as battery pack for your action camera, battery life will shorten drastically. Still, monitoring of juice left is easy. Overall, Hohem iSteady Pro Action Camera Gimbal is a solid piece of hardware which has nearly everything which you need for steady action camera footage. As I said, only thing I miss is some kind of in-app tracking, but I can live without it. All additional informations and specifications can be found on links down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell icon for latest videos from RMT Tech. Until next time, see ya!